how to download mods for Steam games. So the first thing you're going to want to do is come and open your Steam library here, and then at the top here near the search bar you want to click on this little filter icon, and then under features you want to click on workshop. So all the games that are going to be left here are games that you can install mods for within the Steam application really easily. So if you have a game that you want to get mods for that's not on this list, there's probably a way that you can get mods for it, but each game will have a different way to install mods, so it may be best to watch a tutorial about the specific game you want to mod. But if you have a game that's on this list that you want to get mods for, the way to get the mods is through the Steam Workshop. So for example, let's say I want to download mods for Gary's mod here. All I'd have to do is click on it, and then come over here and click on Workshop. So all the workshops are going to look really similar. This is what Gary's mods look like, and what it is it's basically just a massive library of mods. If you scroll down and look at the right side here, you can see you can filter by different types and tags. You can also sort mods by the most popular, most subscribed, and most recent. So I'm going to click on most popular, and let's say I want to get this Max Payne 2 pack. What I would do is I would click on it, and then to download this mod, all I would do is click on this green subscribe button, and then you'll see at the bottom the mod will start downloading. For this to work properly, you want to make sure that the game is closed while this is downloading, but once you open it back up, you can start using the mod right away. And this is going to work the same way for every game that's on your workshop list. So that's pretty much it. If this video helped you, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated.